This is Fascinating Women, stories of pioneering ladies making historic strides that will make your brain smile. Today, if you're a celebrity, you probably utilize a stylist to look on point. But when did celebrity stylists become a gig? Who was that first celebrity client? Marie Antoinette in the 1700s is surely a good candidate. 1770, a young textile apprentice from the Picardy region of France opens her first dress shop in Paris. Her name is Rose Breton. In 1774, Marie Antoinette becomes Queen of France and quite the social butterfly. Prone to partying, gambling, and public scrutiny, she desires assistance in the style department. You gotta look good if the Queen of France is on your resume. Marie Antoinette is introduced to dress shop owner Rose Breton. The Queen of France puts Rose Breton in charge of her fashion, hair, and jewelry choices, charging Rose with combating Marie's critics with killer style. Envy. Nice tactic. Twice-a-week visits filled with sketches, fabric swatches, and in-depth style conversation ensue. This queen wants to make a statement. Rose gives her ankle-bearing, bust-enhancing gowns that cause a ruckus. Bad press is still press. And once you've dressed one celebrity queen, they all want you. Spain, Sweden, Portugal, and a roster of 1,500 other European upper-crust clients, to be exact. What does it take to rock it as a celebrity stylist in the 17th century? 1. Work the press. 2. Have a high-profile client. 3. Demand what you're worth. Without Rose Breton, we might not have petite and powerful celebrity stylist Rachel Zoe. Because Rachel Zoe is a celebrity stylist, she also becomes an author, a TV personality, a business owner, a publisher, and a clothing designer. Well, Rachel had the booming fashion industry to support her career. Rose had the French Revolution and the beheading of Marie Antoinette to contend with. PR nightmare. Today, fashion houses, ad agencies, editors, lots of interns, the clothing steamer, and women who wear pants define the profession that Rose Breton launched. Thank you, Rose Breton. Will today's fascinating women inspire a future generation of amazing ladies? You can bet those celebrity designer boots on it. Want more fascinating stories to keep your brain happy? Stick here and click here.